Okay, good morning, student. For the exam purpose, we have done lots of revision, more than 75-80 MCQs of algebra and geometry from 4th chapter we have done. So now be ready for the unit test exam, and for the August month syllabus we have to complete. So we'll go for next session. Today, from the circle chapter, I am giving you very important points in three different set. In all that three different set, you will get 3 formula. It is very important. Write the formula, substitute the numbers, and find out the unknown thing. Very simple. So 3 set of 3 formula means total 9 formula. Already I have given in the formula list a full textbook of algebra also, for geometry also. Now stepwise I will explain. I will write the formula. That formula you have to by heart. Follow. So and how to remember it is in a very easy way, that also I will explain. So 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 completed. Now one, two, three. Again 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, so this is set number 1 formula, set number 2 formula, set number 3 formula, and for all 1, 2, 3. Two line intersecting circle inside. So AB and CD bisect each other at O. Two line intersecting outside the circle. First inside the circle, then outside the circle. Again O, AB, CD. Two line intersecting outside, two line intersecting inside. Now one is tangent, one is secant. Close the mic. Now 3. That we will write the formula first. Two lines intersecting inside the circle, two lines intersecting outside the circle, two lines, one is intersecting, one is tangent. All three are in a different case. From intersection point, product of two segment of same line you have to take. In all three formula, what? From intersection, two segment on a same line. For example, from intersection, I am highlighting two segment on one line, OA, OB. From intersection, two segment from one line, OC, OD. It's light, no? Okay, again from intersection, OA, OB. From intersection, second line, two segment, OC, OD. This is visible, yes. Again from intersection, two segment on same line, OA, OB. From intersection, two segment on same line. So here only one, OC, OC. So OC square. I am writing this in a dark. C from O, OA into OB, OC into OD. Same line, same segment from intersection to two segment on same line. Again, OA, OB, not OA, AB. All from intersection. OC, OD. So O will come. O will come 4 times. Here also OA, OB, OC, OC, OC square. These are the three formulas on the base of segment where you have to find out the length of the segment. For example, OA, OC, OD, OB. Here also, suppose you have to find out AB, CD. Suppose you have to find out AB. So OB. Satyan, you close your mic or leave the meeting. Tank B67. Now, suppose AB you want. So OB minus OA, that is AB. Now three formulas on the base of angle. These all three we have done on the base of segment, on the base of side. Now segment. Two line intersecting outside. Two line intersecting inside. Two line intersecting on. Angle form on the circle. Angle form outside the circle. Angle form inside the circle. Correct? So again O, A, B, C, D, O, A, B, C, D, again O, OA, OB. By this angle, two arcs are formed. Inscribe this and this. By this also two arcs are formed. This and this. And by this only one arcs are inscribed in the angle. In the angle there are two arcs. In the angle there are two arcs. In the angle there are only one arc. So I'll write X, Y, a middle name. X, Y. This is X. Now, a very easy formula for this third one. Measure angle AOB half major arc AXB. If it is 100, this will be 50. If it is 50, this is 25. If this is 40, this is 20. Directly half of the arc, or arc is double of the angle. That also you can write. Double of the angle is equal to measure of arc. Now, if it is outside, so measure angle AOC is equal to half major arc bigger BXD minus major arc AYC. Big arc minus small arc, make it half, that is this. Suppose it is 100, this is 20. 100 minus 20, it is 80. 80 half, that is 40. Now when it is opposite side, so measure angle BOC or AOD. This angle and this angle we are measuring. Here it is minus, here it is plus, so you can take any. AYD. Now, inscribe angle in a different way. One is tangent. One is tangent. One is tangent. One tangent and second passing through the center. This is C, this is C. Passing through the center, then it is making acute angle. Then it is making obtuse angle. Segment wise, there are three cases. Angle wise, there are three cases. Tangent and segment wise, there are three cases. All are tangent. Second, passing through the center. means exactly making 90 degree. Student, don't call. Somebody is calling again and again. That is why this is happening. Don't call. Three are tangents. Secant form exactly 90. Secant form acute angle. Secant form obtuse angle. So O is a touching point, tangent circle common point. This is A, this is B, this is B. A O C B. A O B. A O B. So all three. Here I will find major angle AOB. Major angle AOB. Major angle AOB. This by this angle, this arc inscribed. By this arc inscribed. By this arc inscribed. This much part, this much part, and this much part. Every time the angle is half of the arc, AOB is half of major arc, OXB. This time also major arc OXB, half major arc BXO OXB. Half of OXB is equal to this. Half of OXB is equal to this. Half of OXB is equal to this. This will be exact 90. This is less than 90 because less than half circle means 180. 180 half is exact 90. This is less than 180 half of whose mic is on? Whose mic is on? And this is greater than 90. Here it's not observing. Shut. Ajay, 10th B22. Ajay, close your mic. Ajay, B22. Hello. B22. अथर्वा. अजय. Ajay, here there is no option. Ajay, can you hear me, beta? Ajay. Abhishek sir, remove Ajay. I can't remove from here. Ajay 10th B. Ajay 10th B 22. Remove. Abhishek sir. Hello Ajay, can you hear me? Thus see that who is 22B, 10th B 22. But why he is not listening? Ajay, today you meet me in office. From 5 minutes I am shouting. Today at 11 o'clock meet me in school. So 9, very important point on that, not a single mark question, but 2 marks, 3 marks type question they will ask from this and this. Here you need 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 they will give 1, 2, 3. So this you can find out unknown number by multiplying this, divide by this. Same, out of 4, 3 will be given. Here also 1, 2, 3. This is the same. OC square. So out of 3 they will give 2. Here also 1, 2, 3. Out of 3 they will give 2 numbers. If these 2 numbers are given, find out the difference, make it half. These 2 numbers are given, make the total into half. And here only 1 are. So first you take the screenshot, or you can write, so which mark I have given. No, that is very important. In first set, what you have to remember, all the segment you have to write from intersection. All I will write from intersection. I will write 2 in the form of product, but on same line. So OA, OB. Again 2, same line. OC, OB. Again from intersection. From intersection. OA, OB. People will write OA, AB. Wrong. It is by again and again I am talking from intersection. OA, OB. OC, OD. Again from intersection on single line, two segment OA, OB. Here two segment not possible, OC. So write 2 times because we need two segment product. So OC, OC, 2 times OC square. Here if it is outside, two arc will be formed by that angle, bigger smaller. So bigger minus smaller, that difference we have to make it half. When it is inside, both can be equal, bigger, smaller, no need. Make the total half. If it is outside, subtraction. If it is inside, totally. One big headache is people are calling in between the lectures. Second, they are not listening. Ajay, literally you have given me a lots of pain today. Angle form outside the circle, 2 arc. Angle form inside the circle, 2 arc. Angle form on the circle, only 1 arc. See, that is where red mark I have given. So only half of that. All three are tangents. Secant can pass to the center. Secant form acute angle. Secant form obtuse angle. So again this angle is half of the arc. That arc is exactly half circle. Half circle means it is semicircle. Half of the circle, that is 180. 180 half is exactly 90 you will get always. In this case, in this type of the diagram. In this, when it is acute, this is less than 180. Less than 180, so half of less than 180 is less than 90. This is more than 180. Half of more than 90, more than 180 is greater than 90. Okay, just copy this or take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, better. And thus send me the phone number of this Ajay, who is that is 10th B22. Again I think he joined. Today again he joined. Given lots of trouble. Done? Now very small theorem we will complete. AB is the diameter, C is the center, C, okay. Take any point other than end point of diameter. Take any point on an arc of half circle, of semicircle other than AB. Any point. I'll take this and join this. This will be 90. I'll take this and this. It will be 90. I'll take this and this, it is 90. Inscribed in semicircle is right angle. It is 90. That we have to prove. So A, B, C, O. This is X. Given AC is diameter. AC is diameter. To prove that angle ABC is right angle. This we have to prove. So first, AC is diameter of circle given. As per the formula, this angle is half of this. So arc AXC is semicircle. From statement number 1. Therefore, major arc AXC, it is 90. It is 180, semicircle, half circle. Four. Major angle ABC is equal to half major arc AXC. Inscribe angle theorem. Therefore, major angle ABC half, this is 180. From statement 3, this is half, 90. And if it is 90, so it is a right angle. Reason from 5th. So dear student, please